In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you how I just created this ad in real time in about 2 seconds. Check this out. Now this is using Google VEO and how it's going to change your life if you want to make money online with a lot of things. We're going to show you the really fast version of this. So we can turn photos into videos. We can turn text into videos, and I have this script available for you. See a bunch of code down here. This is the code that I used to create this video ad. And now we can say, send these previews over to potential customers, businesses, and charge whatever you like. These are $100,000 video ads that you can run on Super Bowl commercials. That's how good they are. Normally, it would take you months to do this in the studio, getting the right lighting, all kinds of different. There's so many tricks to the trade. I've been involved in Hollywood before. I've been on sets. They'll spend $100,000 in one day just to get 5 seconds of a scene. We'd have 500 actors as part of the set, like basically 450 background people, you would call them. And then you have your true actors that come in, do the scene really quickly, and then you have all of the extras, right? So they're getting paid $60 a day. For one scene, I think there was a marathon going on. We had to run through LA and capture 3 scenes all day. It was 12 hours of work. All these extras had to get paid, fed, all to create literally an 8-second video clip that was part of a TV show for HBO. So just that example. They're spending $100,000 plus in a day. Now we can do it for free almost. So this was actually free to run this, but normally I think it costs like 20 cents. There's these different things that I have available, which you can get access to within Agency Accelerator, which is our community of agency owners that are trying to grow their business, or marketers and salespeople that are looking for ways to make money online in a fast growing industry, which is AI. So we're mixing in the best of AI, and we've ran a YouTube ad studio as well for about 8 years, and I sold over $100 million online with YouTube ads. And let me tell you, sometimes some of the ads that we created took like a month or 2 for simple ads. And that was all shot with cameras, editing, video editing, a lot of that. The fact that I was just able to copy and paste this source code into this Google AI Studio application and get that to play, that's amazing. So now I can actually go ahead and put together that with some other different clips to create the whole video ad. And just to show you, there's some other examples here. This is the original example from that. So they just added a little background music here, background noise. All right. Here's the second one. Doing a mock-up of a Tesla commercial. So you can take this and actually go ahead and make a list of 10 businesses in your area that might want to get something like this. That's that cool. You can send over as a free sample, get them really interested and motivated for you to jump on a call with them or go to their office and show what you can do with this software. Yeah, so selling dog food. And I think this is selling IKEA furniture. These are just 8-second clips, which you can do, but then you have to put them together into a 30-second video ad, basically. So all these examples are in this document here, and this is just part of our Agency Accelerator program. So we help you grow your business online to get up to $25,000 a month and beyond, using a combination of different tools with both AI and both traditional stuff, where we've been selling traditional internet marketing services such as websites, SEO, and advertising. But now we're combining them with the best stuff with AI, and it's going to take your business to that next level. We're using a combination of different tools, of course. That's not the only one. So there's ChatGPT, for example. And I'm going to be creating some content here today after I finish this video. And all I did was I picked a really good hook. I'm like, hey, there's this really good hook. Now create me 30 short form video concepts from this. I want to sell the program. So that's exactly what we're doing today. And ChatGPT created, and this is actually the free version for this one. And they've created 30 hooks for me to record for you guys. Isn't that cool? So if I had zero money to start with, I do this one thing. And I'm going to change it up a little bit, of course. But that's how quickly you can punch out content maybe for a business owner. So you can literally just go on Google, right? Let's just go to Google and then type in any kind of keyword for any kind of business. Let's just say dentist, or let's say a med spas near me. Coconut med spa. This is a pretty good niche, to be honest. If you want to go after this niche, I know people in the niche that are doing over 100,000 a month. So I'm sharing it. So you can see there's no videos on here. Now what I would do from this, I would be like, okay, take this website and I would go over to ChatGPT, create a new chat, look at this website, create for me a 30-second video ad, step by step, with instructions that I can plug into Google VEO. And so you can have one AI basically put together a whole video script for you with a B-roll guide. B-roll is just the stuff that's going on in the background. That's why it's called B-roll, background. So let's just say tired, bloated, burned out. You don't need another vacation. You need a reset. This is for the med spa, right? Coconut Medical Spa here in Bali. Our vitamin drips and wellness treatments bring you back to life. All right, gives you a close-up on that. Social proof, you can pull that straight from Google and then plug that into VEO. And within about 10 minutes, you have the whole ad done. Now you can go ahead and create one video ad like this and then send it out to 10 med spas at once and be like, hey, we're only working with 3 med spas in this area, this community, this city, or this state. And the first 3 that take action today, we're gonna get you this deal. We'll create you 10 video ads, even better than the one here that we demoed for you today. Just book a call with us and I'll show you how it works and how we can make money together. So you close that deal somewhere around maybe $7,400 or $5,000, $10,000, whatever price range that works for you and it works for that niche. You'll figure it out after you do it a couple times. And now you go ahead and you deliver the product, which is the ads. You can do this all in 2 hours, so you can see how quickly I'm putting together one ad, right? So if I wanted to put together 5 ad, okay, create me 10 video ads. Or we can say, or create, instead I can do create 5 hooks, which is what we do with YouTube ads. We create 5 hooks that I can test against. So we deliver these 5 hooks or 5 video ads, and then we test out with paid ads. We deliver the service. Once they see the service delivered, cool, that was fast. It took me 3 days to get all these video ads that I don't have for my business already. Now you want to offer them the monthly service, which is cool. Like, that's great that you have these video ads, but how are they going to reach more people? And that's where we come in. And that's when we start doing the more traditional internet marketing strategies, such as organic traffic, social media, and paid ads. So it all works together. This is a cool little trick. If you want to come up with $5,000 or $10,000 this month and you don't have any businesses that you're working with that are paying you on a monthly basis, start with this. So we just created 5 hooks here. We test those. We say we created these 5 hooks, these 5 video ads for you. And what we're going to do with them is we're going to test them out with paid traffic. And we're going to be running these Facebook and Instagram ads. Probably Instagram is going to be the majority of the traffic here for this type of offer. So let's just say that's 80% of your traffic is spent on Instagram. We spend $1,000 and we test out these 5 hooks. We find out that the 4th hook does way better than the other ones. We're getting more customers in on that. We're going to run with that one. And then next month we'll create more ads for you. So we're going to be creating new ads every single month, plus optimizing and improving the ads. And all you need to do is either pay us a small monthly fee plus a commission basis, or we can do a flat fee right now of $1,500 or $2,500 a month, depending on how much video ads that you want. If you pay us more, we'll get you more customers and you'll get more variations and more ads to give you a better chance of retaining and getting more customers. And it's just that simple. But if you want all the scripts, if you want the entire program, well, there's a link below this video. Please watch this first. This is a entire 40-minute presentation on how we are helping out businesses collect leads and using AI so you can get paid at least $7,400 in the next 30 days by doing literally just everything that we showed you really quickly here in about 10 minutes.